Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am going to make this easy monochrome mandala design that you can try out with your kids sitting at home. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So you need a 3-inch diameter stone. You can get these stones from our website. A pencil. So I have used these dotting tools for making the dots. You can get these tools from our website. So these tools are basically used for making very tiny dots, and I have also used these bamboo tools for making the bigger dots at the center, and for making the petals, and also for making the top dots. Lastly, I have used a sponge brush for making the base coat. So friends, I'm starting up with making the base coat. I'm using pearl pink color here. So I'm using this sponge brush, or you can use any other regular sponge as I'm using it here. I'm dabbing the paint slowly. You don't have to scrub it too hard. You just have to dab. You have to dab it until all the paint is distributed equally on every corner of the stone. I just love the texture that comes out of this sponge brush. There is no paintbrush lines that we usually get when we are using a paintbrush. So friends, I'm starting up with a center big dot. I'm using pearl white color here and using the biggest tool that I have. You just have to dip your tool into the paint and then make a dot. Now I'm using a tiny dotting tool for making the very tiny dots. If you don't have similar tool, you can use a toothpick for making it. All you have to do is that you have to dip the tool into the paint and then make these dots. So all you have to do is you have to make a cross shaped structure and then fill tiny dots around it. You can use a scale or a stencil for making the guidelines. Here I'm using it just freehand because it's a very small stone for me. For the second row, you have to use the same tool and make a dot between two dots. So dip your tool into the paint and then make a dot between two dots. Similarly, we'll proceed towards the third row, and each time we have to dip our tool into the paint and then make a dot between two dots. This video is absolutely for a beginner who has never done a dot mandala art before. That's why I have made it very easy, and slowly the video will proceed, and it's a great video for kids to try on. And so I'm proceeding towards the fourth row and I'm using the same tool. So you have to pick a little more paint as we move from one row to the next row. If you're using a same tool, or if you have too many tools of different sizes, then you can use it, but I'm using only a single tool here. So now I'll use a wooden tool for making slightly bigger dots. And now I'm making a cross shaped structure out of these tools, and then I'll fill some dots between the two dots. So you can check how I'm making it here. I'll mention the dimension of each tools into the description, so please don't miss reading the description. So friends, now I'm making the petal shaped structure around these bigger dots. All I'm doing is just dipping the tool into the paint once, and then I'm running the same tool till the bottom of the dot. Similarly, I am making the second row of this petal shape structure, and I am just taking some extra paint and making slightly bigger dot than the previous top dot. Now I am making 2 dots on both the sides of this dot and then running it till the bottom. Then I'll continue similarly on the third row as well. I'm making a slightly bigger dot on the top of this petal, and then making 2 dots on both the side of this dot. Now I am running the dots from top to bottom. After these petal shape structure is completed, I'll be making the swirls from top to bottom. You just have to dip your tool into the paint and then drag it from top to bottom. Now I'll be making one tiny dot between these swirls. I think the overall design is completed. Now I'll proceed towards making the top dots. I'm using the same color that I have used as a base coat, that is the pearl pink color, and I'm using a slightly smaller dotting tool as I've done previously in the bigger dots, and then I'm just dipping the tool and making the top dots. I'm also making some top dots on the petal that I have made, mostly on the top 3 dots of the petal with the same pearl pink color. I'm using fine dotting tool for making these top dots. You can use toothpick if you don't have these tools. I'm also dotting on the dot which I have made between the swirls with the same tiny dotting tool. So I think I am done with this artwork, and I really enjoyed making this artwork for you all. This video was mostly for the beginners or for the kids to try this art, so I have tried to make it as simpler as possible. If you really like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye.